Good morning, students. Now we are going to see diodes. So the diodes is one of the device. It is mainly used to sending the current one of the particular direction. First, we are going to see that PN junction formation. In the PN junction formation, let us consider one of the intrinsic semiconductor. We are consider that intrinsic semiconductor of silicon or germanium we are taken. So one side it is doped by P-type semiconductor. The other side it is also doped by N-type semiconductor. Okay, so the P-type it is majority charge carriers is holes. In the N-type it is majority charge carriers is electrons. Now the electron is diffuses from that N side to P side. This causes the diffusion concentration which exceeds due to the concentration difference of electrons. The electron diffusing into the P region and occupied that holes in that region and make it negative. Then the electron vacant place forming holes. So these holes in the N side are equal to the diffusion of holes from the P side to N side. If the electron and holes were not charged, this diffusion process would continue until the concentration of electrons and holes on two sides is same. In the PN junction, when the electrons and the holes move to the other side of the junction, they expose to charges on the dopant atom sheets, so they are fixed in the crystal lattice and are unable to move. Here, the N side positive ion core is exposed and the P side negative ion cores are exposed. Is created between the positive ion core and the negative ion core. These electric field remove that free charge carriers in the region. So this region is called that depletion region. Here the barrier potential also produces due to that electric field E formed at the junction. This diffusion of the charge carriers from both sides continue between the junction. Here, the negative ion forms a layer of negative space charge along the P side. It is also attract that holes from N side to P side. Similarly, the positive space charge region is formed by positive ion on the N side. It attracts electron from P side to N side. This moment of carriers happen due to the formed electric field and it constitutes a current called drift current. The diffusion current and the drift current flow in the opposite direction at one of the particular instant. Both are equal. Thus, the PN junction is formed. Next we are going to see junction potential or barrier potential. The recombination of the charge carriers take place only to a certain point beyond which the depletion layer acts like a barrier to further diffusion of the free charges across the junction. This is due to that the immobile ions on both sides produce an electric potential difference across the junction. Therefore, the electron is trying to diffuse into the depletion region and encounter the negative wall of the ion, repelling it backward. If the free electron has maximum energy, it can break through the wall and enter into the P region where it can recombine with the holes and create another one negative ion. The strength of the electric potential difference across the depletion region keep increases with the crossing of each electron until equilibrium is reached at that point. The internal repulsion of the depletion layer stop further diffusion of the free electrons across the junction. This difference in the potential across the depletion layer is called that barrier potential. So if the barrier potential break பண்ணனும்னா we are given into that large amount of டூ சைடில் நம்ம கொடுக்கக்கூடிய அந்த பொட்டன்ஷியல் எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா லார்ஜாக இருக்கணும். ஸோ அப்படி லார்ஜாக இருந்தால் தான் இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த ஃப்ரீ எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ்க்கு மேக்ஸிமம் ஆஃப் எனர்ஜி கிடைக்கும். மேக்ஸிமம் ஆஃப் எனர்ஜி கிடைக்கிறதுனால இட் இஸ் ஈஸிலி என்டர் இன் டு தட் டிப்ளீஷன் ரீஜன். அதனால என்ன பண்ண முடியும், பிரேக் பண்ண முடியும் அண்ட் ரீகம்பைன்டு வித் தட் பி ரீஜன். பி ரீஜனோட என்ன பண்ண முடியும்னா ஈஸியாக வந்து ரீகம்பைன் பண்ண முடியும் லார்ஜ் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் நெகட்டிவ் அயான்ஸ். அதனால என்ன பண்ண முடியும், ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். Okay, so the barrier potential of the silicon is 0.7 volt and the barrier potential of the germanium is 0.3 volt. Next we are going to see PN junction diode. So the PN junction diode, we already know that we are taken into the one of the pure intrinsic semiconductor. The half of the side it is doping by P-type semiconductor and the half of the side, remaining half of the side is doped by N-type semiconductor. Then it is forming into that PN junction. It is the PN junction diagram. It is the circuit symbol of the PN junction diode. So one side it is act as that, here it is in the anode, it is in the cathode, it is the arrow mark is denoted for that the conventional current will be flow from anode to cathode. Next we are see that biasing a diode. Biasing means it providing that external energy to the charge carriers to overcome the barrier potential and make them move in a particular direction. The charge carriers can either move towards the junction or away from the junction. The external voltage applied to the PN junction is called that bias voltage. Depending on the polarity of the external source to the PN junction, it divided into two type of biasing. One is forward bias, another one reverse bias. Now we are going to see forward bias. Let us consider it is the PN junction diode. We are applied into that external voltage. Here the positive terminal is connected into P side and the negative terminal is connected into that N side. Due to the forward bias potential, the electron will be moving into that N side, the holes will be moving into that P side. These initiate that the recombination with the ion nearer the junction, so the width of the depletion region is reduced and also the barrier potential is reduced. The electron from the N side is accelerated towards the P side and it experiences a reduced barrier potential at the junction, and also accelerated electron experience a strong attraction by a positive potential applied to that. Here we are applying into that positive potential, so the electrons will be experienced into that strong attraction by the positive potential applied to that P side. Finally, a large number of electrons will be moving to that P side and the holes will be moving towards that N side. Again we are increasing into that potential. We are applying that large amount of potential again and again means further the depletion width will be reduces. இன்னுமே நல்லா குறைஞ்சிரும் இந்த வித்தோட அந்த width means அந்த range. இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த போர்ஷனை தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா width. So the width of the depletion region will be decreases, so the barrier potential also decreases. So this result the large number of electrons will be passing through that junction, the resulting an exponentially rise in current through the junction. Now we are going to see reverse bias. Consider PN junction diode. It is the PN junction diode. We are applied into that external potential. We are applied here. The negative terminal is connected into that P type and the P type region, and the positive potential is applied into that N type region. Okay, so this bias is called that reverse bias. Here the positive potential is connected into that N-type material and the electrons in the N-type material are attracted towards that positive terminal. Then the holes will be attracted, the holes in the P-type material moves towards that negative terminal. It is also increasing that immobile ions at the junction, so the width of the depletion region will be increases as well as the barrier potentials also increases. Consequently, the majority charge carriers from both sides experience a great barrier to cross the junction. It reduces the diffusion current across the junction, but a small current flow across the junction due to the minority charge carriers in both region. This current is called that reverse saturation current. It is also denoted for the letter is IS. The reverse saturation current is always independent for that applied voltage. It depending only for that thermally generated minority charge carriers. Even a small voltage are applied means it is sufficient to move that minority charge carriers across the junction.